Free time. Molly is a 12-year-old girl who loves spending time with her friends, her younger brother, and her playful dog Max. She enjoys different activities in every season. In spring, Molly and her friends like playing in the park when the weather is warm. They run, jump, play games and climb trees. Molly's brother likes riding a bike and they often go cycling together. On rainy days, Molly and her brother wear warm clothes and boots and jump in puddles. They laugh and have fun even when it's wet outside. In summer, Molly loves going to the beach with her family or friends. She swims in the sea and builds sandcastles with her brother. Max likes running on the beach and in the water. Sometimes Molly and her friends eat ice cream on sunny days. When it rains, she stays inside with her family and they play board games or watch films. In autumn, Molly enjoys walking in the forest with her friends and her dog. The leaves are red, orange, and yellow, and they crunch under her feet. Molly likes collecting beautiful leaves and chestnuts. Sometimes she and her brother throw leaves in the air and let Max jump trying to catch them. On cold evenings, Molly drinks hot chocolate with her family and reads stories to her brother. In winter, Molly and her friends love playing in the snow. They make snowmen, have snowball fights, or go skiing. When it's very cold and windy, Molly and her family stay at home. They speak, eat biscuits with milk and play card games. Molly enjoys these nice winter evenings. Molly is happy in every season because she always finds fun things to do with her friends, her brother, and her dog.